You keep reposting self-love quotes, but deep down you still can't stand the person in the mirror. Why? Let's be real. You don't hate yourself because of a lack of motivational quotes. You hate yourself because you know you're not living up to who you could be. And no amount of pastel-colored Instagram posts is gonna fix that. Here's the first harsh truth. You're not tired, you're undisciplined. You keep saying, "I'm exhausted," but really? You've just been running from your potential 24/7. You crave self-love, but you practice self-betrayal. You say you'll wake up early, but you hit snooze. You say you'll start today, but you scroll instead. You break promises to yourself daily. Of course you don't trust yourself. Of course you don't feel good about you. Third, you confuse comfort with healing. Bubble baths, Netflix, another mental health day. You're not healing, you're hiding. Healing is doing the hard, the uncomfortable shit, the stuff no one claps for. Here's the shift. Self-love isn't something you feel. It's something you earn. You build it by doing the things you said you'd do, even when you don't feel like it. Especially then. That's when respect kicks in. And self-respect is the foundation of real self-love. So stop faking it. Stop pretending that another quote will fix your soul. Put the phone down. Do one hard thing today that your future self will thank you for. Because no one hates themselves in the middle of becoming who they admire. Now go prove you're not full of shit.